Welcome to my channel Luxury Car 001. Today we are diving into the ultimate combination of comfort, style, and technology with the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, priced at $210,000. This luxury motorhome is designed for those who want the elegance of a Mercedes-Benz with the freedom of the open road. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or weekend escapes, this motorhome brings high-end living to your journey. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome commands attention with its sleek and aerodynamic design. The bold front grille carries the iconic three-pointed star and is paired with full LED headlights that add to its premium look. The body is sculpted to maximize space without compromising the elegant Mercedes-Benz profile. Built on the latest Sprinter chassis, this motorhome offers superior stability, road presence, and driving comfort. It's equipped with 19-inch alloy wheels, side awning for shade, and solar panels on the roof to power some of the interior systems, making it perfect for off-grid travel. Step inside and you're immediately surrounded by luxury. The interior of this motorhome is a true Mercedes experience, with high-quality wood trims, ambient lighting, and premium leather seating. Every inch is crafted with care. It features a spacious living area with a convertible sofa, a dining space that seats four comfortably, and a fully equipped kitchenette. The kitchen includes a 2-burner induction cooktop, a microwave oven, stainless steel sink, and a full-size refrigerator. Storage compartments are intelligently placed throughout the cabin, blending function with style. The bedroom space offers a full-size bed with memory foam mattress, overhead lighting, side windows for natural light, and privacy blinds. You also get a smart TV and Bluetooth surround sound system, making it easy to enjoy entertainment on the go. The bathroom is another highlight, featuring a walk-in shower, a modern sink, and a water-saving toilet, all packed in a compact but practical space. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is powered by a 3.0-liter turbo diesel V6 engine that delivers excellent fuel economy and smooth performance. Paired with the 9-speed automatic transmission and advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, this motorhome isn't just about luxury, it's about confidence and safety on the road. In terms of technology, it comes equipped with the latest Box infotainment system, including a 12.3-inch touchscreen, voice control, GPS navigation, and smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and onboard Wi-Fi make this a truly connected experience wherever you are. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style. For $210,000, you're not just buying a motorhome, you're investing in comfort, safety, and the prestige of the Mercedes-Benz brand. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and welcome again to Luxury Car 001.